One with that morning, evening, noon, night, and just pass another big up on herself. That time of day is something that video something there. So warning, adult content ahead. I didn't even know that Momo is the name of the young lady who, like I said, accidentally jumped on Bumper, causing the incident with Bumper. She actually run away because people are taking to social media and saying that it is more than just an accident. So this young man come in and express himself in a very colorful way, I might say, but I myself see it as a genuine accident as well. So this is what he has to say.
Yo, you a bumper ass clock going on now, Zen. I don't love use Facebook for too much fuckery. And social media, Instagram and Twitter for too much fuckery. Yo, uno know on a purpose the catty jump on the girl for and kill her. Uno bumper clock know that. Uno know that. Wanna push this bumper clock thing about the girl, murder the girl for purpose and bumper ass clock for. Uno fi stop it, brother. Uno fi stop it. The girl run off because the girl don't know if you not go mob her bumper ass clot sitting. When you come for social media and a girl come and chat about and want a whole bag of blood clot thing, brother. The two girls them a dance so long. What purpose the girl have to kill the pussy clot girl? Eh? What purpose? A mistake, brother. Cut out on the fuckery, man. Two wrong to make one right, brother. Cut out on the fuckery. Someone who will love chat and just get a chat. Who no hate the blood clot girl? Who to tell if I no science no work? Go suck on the mother.